Hi traders, Anthony here. So we've made some big changes to the indicators. What I want you to do is, I've just been messing around, this is why this is so bright. I wanted to have a look at these levels. What I want you to do, I want you to open up your charts and go to the trend channel and hit the cross and delete the trend channel from all charts. On every chart you've got it on, just get rid of it. Then go back and open one chart, go to indicators, go to your invite only scripts and bring in the trend channel. It's going to be version 14. Don't ask me why. So we've got version 14. It's actually version 16, but we won't go there. You're going to open it up, and the first thing you want to do is go straight down here to this here, long, short, pin bar, high, pin bar, low. These guys, and pick the brightest lime green and the reddest red you can find. These guys here. Go down to the daily pivots, weekly pivots, go to the monthly pivots, and move from here up to here if you're on a dark chart. If you're on a white chart, well, you'll work out your colors. Go up here and move this up to number 3 or number 2. I'll go to number 2. I want to see them. They're the changes. Now go down here, save as default, done, and go OK. Alright, so that's done. Let's just take out the trend bars for now. So we have a whole new thing here. The triangles have gone except for this one, and we've got our dots. Some triangles and we've got some dots. Alright, there's your trade. There's your trade. Anyway, we're going to be doing a lot of videos on this. So we've removed all the triangles except for the one that we've been using. This is called R break. It's labeled as R break, as in range break. Alright, so it's a breakout of a range. I'm not going to call them buy and sell signals or anything like that. The dots tell us when the market's overextended, and the triangles tell us when we've got a breakout of a range. Generally a break and we're looking for the retest. Break and we're looking for the retest. We're going to take our trading to the next level, guys, in a big way. Okay, we've also got trend bars giving us a lot of data here, including trading volume. So we're going to be looking for all of these signals here, and we'll spend some time making sure that we pick the best of the best and we get good trade setups. For example, there's the signal, range break, and we go back looking for the pullback to the mean here. The thing we're going to be looking for is, if that's entry, what have we got under? See this dark? Yeah, that's a liquidity void. We want that. We trade through that. There's our next level of support, this shaded zone. So we're not going to trade into a heavy area like that. We're going to trade into these darker voids. Right, so that's going to be a game changer. Once you get a handle on trading, don't trade into support and resistance. You trade away from support and resistance. See this one here, for example, it's trading up into a big level here. Admittedly it worked, but you can be fussy and you can pick the best of the best. And you can let some of these go. Oh, what have we got going on here? Binance, look at that. What else? Oh, yeah, and the dots. Okay, so with the dots, see this is a red dot. If there's congestion under it, you might not want to trade that. You're looking for a gap. So let's have a look and see where there's... look at this. See, there's a bit of a gap under here. Thin liquidity is what we want. Thin liquidity, so we want to take it back down into a bit of a thing here, but we had a bit of a gap there. So these are the sort of things. Look at this thin liquidity through here. This is not heavy traffic here, back here. So then we get a nice trade back down. This one's pretty good as well. This is going to be interesting, guys. What you're going to have to do next is go over to your alerts. I've already done mine. Click on the alerts. You've got the alerts log under. Take that out of the way. You're going to have a whole... I've just deleted mine. I'm setting up my new alerts. So select the top one, click shift, select the bottom one, and you'll probably end up going all the way down. You might have to scroll down, right click, and you're going to remove. Click that and get rid of all your alerts. We're going to start again now. I'm most likely going to go with the 3-minute chart. I like the opportunity to get in early. The 3-minute is going to give us more signals, but it's going to bring us into an opportunity earlier than the higher time frame, and then we can weigh it up. So then go to the 3-minute chart up the top here. Go to your list. I've got crypto here and I've got Forex over here. Go to your list. This is how we're going to set this up. Let me see, what have I got? ADA, AVAX. Okay. I'm going to be selecting pairs paired with Bitcoin. With the USDT. I've got that. And I'll go Binance USDT. That might be the next one. So click on that. You're in the chart. Go over here. It's the trend channel. 3 dots. Click the alert. Trend channel. We only have the PPIV buy sell. So this is every dot. 1 alert for every dot, not 4 alerts for each. And then we have the trend CH for every triangle. I'm going to go with this once per bar. Don't make it pop up, whatever you do. And I like the reverb, and then that's it. Go back again if you want both the alerts. And the next one's a trend CH once per bar, and then just go create. So which one's next? Bitcoin. Okay, make sure you clicked on the 3-minute. Go to Bitcoin. Work your way down your list alphabetically, and let's get set up here. What I really want to do with this is help you become an independent, autonomous trader. I really want people to be empowered. Practice it. Do it on a demo. Give it everything it deserves, guys, because this could be an absolute game changer once you get your head around using the alerts and trading away from support and resistance zones. You could definitely become consistently profitable. Absolutely. All right, so then we go through and we do our alerts. So I'm going to do mine now. I don't know how many trade alerts I'm going to be able to send my Telegram channel tonight, because I don't have any. I'm just sort of getting them set up now, and so I think tonight I'm going to be doing the setup. We've got the new indicator. Have a play with it. Just get familiar with it. Back test it. One thing you can actually do if you want to is go back in time and then hit this replay button. Hit replay here, and you're going to be sitting there forever waiting for an alert. That's why we've got alerts on all of these, so that we get them. But you can hit the replay before the alert and then just go through and do your trade. See how it works out. Practice the strategy. Okay, we just had an alert. So these are going to be really good alerts. We've got a buy sell, a buy sell, a buy sell, a buy sell. Let's check it out. AVAX, 3-minute chart. Okay, what have we got? And don't forget that the dots deliberately repaint. So let's just see if it sticks. What are we trading? Actually, I don't mind that. See, the dot is trading into resistance. What have we got under it? Okay, what's happening over here? We've got a big pullback up into resistance. See, this is what we do. We just have a quick look. I like it. I would trade that probably. It's pretty bearish, but we're getting a pullback. Okay, this could just be a liquidity run by the big players here. That's a 3-minute. We need to be 15 or 30 minutes. Okay, have a look and see what we were trading into. Trading into a level here. Look at that. Up here. Okay, so there's a pretty good chance that we'll get. See, look here on the 4 hour. So these are the sort of things. If we get a dot and we're trading into a big level, you can see it on the 4 hour here. Pull this across, and we're overextended on the lower time frame. So that's a short, most likely. I like it. I'm going to take it. There you go. My first alert. Where's my take profit? 84. I'm just going to go a market. Add some dollar value to this. What have we got? $400. Okay, we'll go back at sell. Always go for 1 times the ATR on these pullbacks. But then what you can do is do the thing, move that away and take partial at 1 times the ATR. These dots move around a bit quickly though. You've got to be careful. Anyway, we've got a little bit of a gap through here, this dark area. Anyway, I don't want to spend a lot of time messing around here. So get set up. There won't be any signals tonight, as I need to get organized with this, but we're going to have some very interesting times ahead, I can tell you now. Yeah, I mean, look, there's a probability factor. See this light shaded area through here? That is resistance. All right, now it's a probability factor. The probability is in our favor at the moment. The possibility that just breaks right through and carries on up and we get stopped out, yeah, sure. But you know, you've just got to weigh up the pros and cons and win most of your trades and manage them well. That's it. I can tell you now that's going to rotate. Just before I wrap it up, let's just have a look and see what Bitcoin's doing. Let's open this up. So what do we got here? This is AVAX and Bitcoin. Let's have a look. It's a strength indicator. Bitcoin's white. We could kind of make that more prominent. Look at that. Bitcoin's the weaker currency. So be careful. There's a counter trend trade we're taking here. AVAX is yellow. So what's yellow and white look like? Well, you know what? They're trading pretty close to each other at the moment. They're fairly correlated. Most of these currencies are fairly correlated. However, see back here where you get these crossovers, that's where you get your trade opportunities in a big way. You know, so you can have a look at the trajectory. I don't want to get into this because I'm kind of getting off the subject. I do get distracted, but when one's traveling in one direction for a while and the other one's traveling in the other direction for a while, that's a great setup. Anyway, guys, I'll wrap this up now and get this video uploaded for you. There we go, our signal's kind of forming now. What's that worth if I go for 1 times the ATR? $24. You know, there's a bit of a price gap here. I might just take it down. See if it trades through this dark section here. Well, look at that. You can see back here. I love this. This is trading volume. Very powerful. Okay, I'll get the video uploaded. With that, over and out. Smash those likes. Subscribe. Join Telegram. Buy the subscription. It's peanuts at 29, whatever it is, 95 a month. Ridiculous. See you in Telegram.